Welcome to my channel Chad and Technical Chadep. Today my topic is permeable outer and non-living protective. Permeable outer and non-living protective layers. Non-living are some cells. Cell membrane is the outermost living differentiate and the mosaic fluids models to explain the structure of non-living permeables that can transport facilitate diffusion. The structure present in is a cell called cell organelles like mitochondria is waste products and demand of nutrients are directly proportional. Cell volumes tissues are group of similar cells may be on the basic of structures in plant. There are two major type of tissues. Meristematic permanent tissues are what is responsible for the high resolution of the electron microscope. High magnification showed wavelength of electrons beam used of heavy metals strains. Very strange sections. What function of rough endoplasmic reticulum, aerobic respirations and intracellular digestion, synthesis of proteins, synthesis of steroids, which statement about the fluid mosaic model of membrane structure is correct. Less unsaturated the fatty acid, the more fluid natures, the more unsaturated the fatty acid, the more fluid natures. Higher the temperature, less fluid natures, the lower the temperature, more fluid natures. Which process allows movement in and out of cells, osmosis, diffusion, active transport. One and only two are postulates of cell theory, except new cell is derived from pre-existing cell. Cell does not contain the hereditary materials. Living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Is the fundamental unit of life. Cell membrane is composed or double by layers. Diffusions is a passive process which does not require energy input. Plant cells lose water and cytoplasm shrinks in a process called plasmolysis. Special type of movement of specific substance through carrier protein is facilitated. Diffusions, the microtubules arranged in a very particular pattern to form centers are 27 in numbers. We find the following terms: exocytosis and nucleoplasm, cyclosis, resolution crystallini. Distances between the following in tabular form: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, mitochondria and chloroplast, lysosomes and ribosomes. Why mitochondria is also called powerhouse of cells. Why iodine used to stain and the onion peels of electron microscope is different from simple compound microscope. Describe structure and function of nuclear with the help of diagram. And what is a microscope? Describe type of microscope and describe fluid mosaic of cell membrane. Also draw the diagrams. The term chromosomes is given by Germain embryologist Wellers Fleming in 1882 when he was examining the rapidly dividing cells of Salmonellus larvae. After treating with Perkins and aniline, he observed that the chromosome's color is much darker than the rest of organelles. The term chromosomes is misnomer because it means colored body, but later it was found that chromosomes are colorless bodies. Chromosome are tree-like structure appears at the time of cells Division include found in a specific number made up of chromatin material eukaryotic cells. Thanks for watching.